Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the HEA Designs Equilibrium version 2. This is a nice knife. I'm just going to come out and say it. It's great. The detent is very nicely tuned on this one. It just flies open and it's got a really nice feeling to it. You guys know what I'm talking about. When you hit a knife that just kind of flies open. That's how I would characterize this one. Anywho, enough of me rambling. 8.5 inches for overall length. The blade length is 3.5 inches of Bowler M390. Nice choice on the steel. And this one is kind of got like a scimitar shape to the whole knife. It's really kind of unique, I would say. I think that's really the main draw with these HEA knives, is that they're definitely unique, definitely eye-catching, and they're really, really well made. There's no denying that. So the handle length is 5 inches. It is titanium. This one's green titanium, but there are, I believe, 4 color options. There's green, blue, bronze, and gray. So if this one doesn't suit your fancy, don't fear. Now, the overall weight on this guy is 4.3 ounces, but we have a carbon fiber version that has carbon fiber scales just over the top of the titanium liners, and this one comes in a little lighter at 3.5 ounces. You do have pocket clips for tip-up right-handed carry only, by the look of it, and yeah, really unique knife, definitely unique. Let's give you a size comparison next to a tactical clothespin right there. Boom, there you have it. Go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com. This is the HEA Designs Equilibrium.